Hi, this is a demonstration of 3DOF, that is 3 degree of freedom hydraulic extractor kit. So this is a hydraulic extractor model, and as you can see here, it has been perfectly designed for 3 degrees of freedom to achieve perfect movement for an extractor. And as you can see, we have used syringes along with this kit set here to achieve this. So this is an efficient system, so you can use this as it is, or you can mount it on your vehicle or any type of model that you want, so that you can use this mechanism easily. So this is an efficiently designed mechanism which has 3 degrees of freedom. This is the first one, as you can see here. So when I pull this, as you can see, the first motion that we have achieved here perfectly. As you can see, this is the first one, then this is the second one. And this is the third one. So this is how the system can easily operate. And we have also provided the more holes here, so that you can easily implement further mechanism after you mount it for the 4th degree of freedom, that is this one. And as you can see here, it has a hole here where you can mount through a screw on your vehicle or any set, that you can get this complete kit to work with your model easily. So this is how the system works. Thank you.